Right. Now, some years ago, quite a few years ago now, my daughter, well, our daughter, she was a carer for a disabled lady, and she was a carer for many years for this lady. This lady eventually died and left a cat in her will to Tracy, together with £5,000 for its care. Unusual. Now, it's fair to say that this cat was not welcomed by everyone in the family. And so I wrote this poem, and it's called David Had a Cat. David had a cat. He never wanted that. He just came home one day, and there it was, right in his way. Now the cat, it took no notice of his animosity. It just left him a present on his best settee. Now David's not a man who is easily disturbed. In fact, he's got a tranquil nature which needs to be preserved. But when that cat came through that flap and left a present in his presence, up stands David, incandescent, says, I'll rid myself of this cat's presence. But he doesn't. Well, today is Pat's big day. Tracy, our daughter, has paid for her to have her hair done, and not only that, to have her fingernails done as well. So Pat's going to be all bonnied up for tonight, because that's what we're doing. We're going out with the family for a meal, and a long-term friend of mine and his wife, Mick and Jane, are joining us. And all this is thanks to Mick, who gave us that 60 quid. So thank you, Mick. Now, I'll put some photos of the event tomorrow, up on a post tomorrow. But this post goes up today. So, yeah, a nice birthday outing for Pat. Okay, see you later.